So what are the items we learned in our classes? Let's give a recap now.
SQL Server installation.
Yeah, firstly we start with introduction. Yes, then we did the installation concept. Then
Connection.
third one we learned about SQL basics, basic DML DDL. The next level DML DDL activities with operators like in say between, not between, like, not like, etc. Then Excel imports, right? What is the sixth concept we learned? Please check your emails or check your notes.
Constraints and
Constraint
No, schemas, right? Isn't it schemas?
yes, schemas.
Then constraints and RDBMS.
Join.
Yes, there we actually very recently we learned cascading keys, right? You remember?
Unique
Cascading
and
keys.
Yeah.
Whenever parent is updated, child gets updated automatically.
Yeah.
Then joins basics, group by basics. Then joins with group by queries, right? Isn't it? We learned this one. Come on, what next we learned?
Views.
Yes, views, stored procedures, functions like user defined functions, date time functions, string functions, aggregate functions and metadata functions we learned, triggers and indexes basics. Yes, everyone, please. Hope you remember all these, everyone. I'll wait, please. Yep. Okay. And after that, we learned about transactions.
Architecture.
Exactly. Database architecture we learned.
Data type.
Temp tables, local, global, temporary tables we learned.
Normal forms.
Yes, we learned about something called normal forms and
Data
window
types.
functions. Nothing but rank.
Rank.
Merge statement, right? Isn't it?
Roll up.
Yeah, merge statement exactly. Cube and roll up activities,
Grouping.
including grouping,
Grouping.
right? And then duplicate rows removal, also called data cleansing, we call it. Okay, data cleaning activities, duplicate rows removal. And in this process, we also learned about something called self joins. Yes, you remember, please. Remember self joins, like fourth normal form. Yep.
Yes.
Self reference, self joins, fourth normal form we learned it. Okay, so these are the items we learned. And from here, you are given case study. You will work on it. You will submit your case studies. So these are actual ingredient, the base ingredients. Make sure you practice everything thoroughly. Make sure you practice everything thoroughly so that you are ready for the next item. Your next item can be at different levels. Primary skill set. So make sure you have certain specific primary skill set for your resume and secondary skill set as well. Primary skill set and secondary skill set, plan it accordingly. for best resume have a specific primary skill set. It's up to you. Okay, it's up to you. I'll just put this way. So whatever you see on the left side, any questions, let me know please before we proceed further. Yes, any questions, let me know please. I'll wait before we proceed further.
I have a question regarding cross server connections. You said like you will be saying that.
Yeah. Cross server, like it's part, I think you're into data engineering, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
You
Okay.
have it
Okay.
there,
Fine.
sir. You have it there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Thank you.
Cross server concept in Power BI, data engineering. There we have them actually. Yes.
Yeah. Sure. Thank you.
That's why in your 3 weeks, course, I didn't mention them because we have it there actually. We'll do.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I'll put this way, brother. I'll put this way. In our initial classes, yes, everyone, we learned different types of databases. OLTP, OLAP, data warehouse, etc. And so far we learnt only one single OLTP. Cross server connections are required for ETL, data factory, data bricks, data engineering, Power Query, Power BI, into warehouse. Pawan, are we getting it? Here comes cross connections.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Got it, sir.
Okay. Yeah, we'll make it in a meaningful way, step by step.
Yeah.
Well,
Actually,
so here we
I was trying to create 3 SQL servers and try to work on different DBs from there. So I just got that question.
fine then. Just let me know the error message if you have any. Okay, I can help you for sure. I'll do in the meantime.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. I will post you later. Yes, sir.
Surely. Yeah. Well, so once you get this content ready, I mean, once you are ready with your yellow box, go for Azure Data Engineering, which is into cloud computing, big data analytics. Or you may do Power BI as your primary skill set. If you are into data analyst job role, it's up to you. Okay, you need to decide it carefully. Or you may also do MSBI in case if you are into BI developer job role. Or you may do Snowflake, just in case if you are planning for it. Snowflake is into core data warehousing component. Data engineering, data warehouse, ETL, as well as analytics, and also into big data operations. So choice is yours anyway. Then comes secondary skill set. Plan your resume carefully. Coming to the secondary skill set, I'll just put this way. Okay, here it is. If you're into data engineering, do Power BI as secondary because back end, front end, it works. If you're into Power BI, do Python because you can do data analytics. I mean, data analyst job role that always works. Python, Power BI to Python, it works. If you're into MSBI, you do Power BI here for end-to-end BI development activities. If you are into Snowflake, then do data engineering here. I mean, plan the things in a meaningful way. There should be a reference. There should be a link between primary and secondary skill set. There should be a relevance or a link. Then it really works. You may mix multiple things, but This is always a better option to do this way. Any questions, clarifications, let me know. I'll wait. So this would be your resume plan in case if you're looking for it to add more meaningful value to your resume, plan this way. Any questions, let me know, please. I'll wait. Yes. Now, any questions, let me know, please. I'll wait for some.
Hello.
Please tell me, brother. Proceed.
So, sir, my question is that for Power BI, do I need to know all the skills of SQL, like for window functions, normalization
Yeah.
forms, and
Complete
all
left
these things?
side is required, sir. Truly speaking. See,
Okay.
you may say someone saying like SQL basics are enough. No, no. Our resume, our project in Power BI works with a difference. At least for our Power BI detailed curriculum, get every bit of left side information. Safe. Yes. Let's not have
Okay.
any compromise. Whatever was mentioning at the left side is very, very basics of SQL concepts. Microsoft SQL, very much mandatory, some way or the other for Power BI. We need it. But again, first 50% of left side is very, very mandatory. First 50%, say until index basics are very much mandatory. I'll just mark it this way. Remaining optional but highly recommended. Okay, hope it is clear, brother. I'll wait.
Yes, yes.
I'll just put this way. Yes, next question, please. I'll wait. Yes, I'll put this way. Yep. Fine, friends. So tell me, when we can have a friendly mock test? Let me know, please. Tomorrow or day after? Tell me on all the left side box items. When we can have a friendly mock test? Let me know, please.
Day after tomorrow.
What do you say, please, others? Let me know, please. When can we have a friendly mock test? Day after tomorrow? Okay. Others, please let me know. I'll wait.
After tomorrow will be perfect, sir.
Sure. Everyone. Okay. We'll do it day after tomorrow then. I'll send you this complete image for your reference purpose, like a checklist for your resume or even for your revision, etc. I'll send you this complete checklist to you. I'll do. Please see if you can refer to it carefully and do let me know for questions, clarifications, if any. I am sure we learned everything from the curriculum. I am pretty sure. Still, just in case, if you want me to repeat anything or any questions, clarifications on any item, please do reach me on email or WhatsApp or call. We'll do it anyway. We'll do one by one. Need your support. We are meeting day after tomorrow for a friendly mock test on all these items together. We'll do it carefully. Please make sure we do our best in our mock test, please. Need your support for our resume and project work we are going to do in primary skill set and secondary skill set activities. We have nice project work there. So let's get ready from today itself. Kindly revise every item from the left box.